So welcome to the user's manual for the Fantastic 5+1. So to start off, I'm going to go through each interface with you and show you all of the use cases that we built in and all the extra stuff that we added to show you how to use this app properly. So to start off with the admin, we had 5 use cases that we focused on when we made this: how to credit TBC, how to credit TBC section, how to view progress of a student, how to input an initial attendance record, and how to credit instructor. So I'm going to start off with how to credit TBC. So you come to the admin interface and you go to course list and create new. Let's just make up a course ID. Alright. And there you have it. That is how you create a new TBC. Okay, so next, the next use case is how to view the progress of a student. And so you click on the Student Progress tab, and here you can see all of the students and their progresses in certain classes. And you can use the filter function over here so that you can zero in on one student. You can reorganize them based on student ID. And here you can view the progress. And so that actually leads to our next use case, which is how to input the initial attendance record. And so here, as soon as someone enrolls in the class, then they are put as none. And then once they show up for the first day of class, they're marked as in progress. Yeah. Okay, and so for our final use case, how to create instructor, you just click, you go to the home page right here, and you click create new instructor. And there you have it. And if you want to go in later, you can edit more of the details about Sarah Smith. You can add her email. Alright, so that's it for the admin interface. Okay, so moving on to the student interface. The first thing we're going to do is log in. Alright. And so when you log in as a student, you have certain rights that are restricted. So for instance, a student is different than an admin because they cannot create a tech boot camp and they can't edit instructors or the tech boot camps offered. So moving on to the use cases for a student, we had 4 that we needed to focus on: enrolling in a TBC, reading a TBC, reading a section, and viewing progress. Alright, so first, how to enroll in a TBC. So if you click the home button, you can scroll down here and click enroll. And so here, you can click which student, what class they would like to sign up for, what TBC. You can find the sections that are available, and then enroll. Right. So the next use case is reading the TBCs. And so you can click here and see all the TBC courses offered. And then the next use case is to see all the TBC sections, which is right here. And then to view your progress as a student, you can come here, and once you sign up for a TBC, you are just listed as progress is blank. You're just in the class. And then once you show up for the first day, you are changed in progress. If you complete the tech boot camp and the certificate that comes with it, then you're marked as complete. And if you don't show up or drop, obviously your progress is changed to dropped. As you can see here, the student cannot go in and edit the progress like the admin could. Alright, so the last thing we did is the dashboard, and if you just click home or dashboard, it will take you to this, and you can see the number of the available seats in each of these classes. Alright, that's it for the student interface. Okay, so the final interface I'm going to go over with you is the instructor. So first we're going to log in. And just like the student, the instructor has certain things limited and privileges that come with being able to log in. So the use cases for instructor were to credit TBC and their section, view the progress, input initial attendance. Okay, so the first use case we're going to focus on is to credit TBC. And so as an instructor, you cannot create a TBC, but you can read, update it. So here, for instance, we could update Dev 2000. And we could say that it's a advanced course. Yep, and there we have it. So next is to create a section, and again, as an instructor, you cannot create a new section, but you can edit it. So if we were Pure C, we could go in and edit this. We could change the instructor, we could change the class capacity. So let's go in and make this 50. So there you have it. That's how you read and update a section. And so to view the progress of a student, you just go to the Students tab here. And it's very similar to the admin. You can organize it by name, section ID. You can go in and edit it that way. You can also, right here, so you can also go up here and add a filter so that only one student's names pop up. Alright, and finally, how to input the initial attendance. So as you see right here, when someone is taken off the waitlist and put in the class, they have a blank, and then the instructor has the ability to go in and change their status from none to in progress once they show up for the first day of class, and then to complete once they complete the tech boot camp and certificate, or dropped if they don't show up to class or don't complete the necessary coursework. Alright, and so the last thing that we have is not a use case, it's just an add-on, is our dashboard, and you can view that by clicking the home button or the dashboard button, and it gives you more information about the instructors and the classes that they have. So for instance, right here we can see this MIS class has 0 students registered for it, whereas Python only has 2, DevOps has 1, and Python with Rick Watson only has 1 compared to the 2 here. Alright, so that is it for our user's manual. Thank you.